Hey, what's up guys? Jose here, shreddeddad.com. In today's video, I'm reviewing the Flybird Pro adjustable weight bench. Now, Flybird has been known to sell a lot of products on Amazon, especially adjustable foldable weight benches that have the ability to adjust not only on the back support area, but also on the seat. And then they can also fold in half so that you have a lot more room whenever you're done working out. Now this one in particular does not fold in half, and the reason for that is because it has a thicker frame than the previous versions. The frame on this one is 3 inches by 1.5 inches. This one also has a bigger weight capacity than most other benches. This one has a weight capacity of 1,100 pounds. So it's a very sturdy, very robust bench. Their best bench, I would say, just because it can hold the most weight and feels very comfortable. Now from the bottom here to the top of the padding here, it's about 17 inches in height. You have a back support area that runs about 34 inches from top to bottom. And as I said earlier, you have 1,100 pounds in weight capacity. Now this has 6 different adjustments here on the top. So right now it's on the flat one. It can go, number 1 would be the flat one. You have number 2 here, number 3, number 4, number 5, and then number 6 is this one right here. So this 6 different adjustments here. The bar here, this bar here has a handle on the side which prevents you from accidentally pinching your fingers here or your hand whenever you're changing the different settings. And then if we come over to this side here, this one has 3 different adjustments. That's the flat, that's number 1. You have 1 level of incline, and then you have the 2nd level of incline. Now the padding on this is 2 inches thick, so it's very comfortable, and it actually provides a lot of support. I actually put an 80-pound dumbbell here on top, left it there for a few seconds, then lifted it up, and you can see that this didn't even sink at all. So it's very supportive, but at the same time very comfortable. As I said, 2 inches in thickness is going to give you a lot of support. Now the legs over here on this side have some sort of rubber on the bottom of the feet here, which prevents it from sliding back and forth whenever you're using it. And if we flip over to this side here, this one also has rubber feet, but the feet over here can also adjust. They have a knob that you turn one direction, and then you have a little piece of rubber coming out from the bottom of the foot, and that's gonna help you if your floors are uneven. So if you need to balance out the bench for any reason, for any uneven floors, that's a good idea there to have that here on this side just to make sure that you're stable. Now speaking of stability, this is a very stable bench. You have a very wide base here on the top, and I'm actually going to flip it over, and I'm going to push it from the side so that you can see that it's very stable. So if I push, you can see that it doesn't move very much at all, so that has very good stability. Now one thing that I didn't see on this one, or it doesn't have at all, is any wheels. A lot of benches do have wheels just to make it easier to transport. Now this one not being very heavy, I wouldn't say you need the wheels. I'm not sure how many pounds this weighs. I would say maybe close to 60 pounds. But that, if there was a pros and cons or a con, I would say the wheels would be one of those cons. The fact that you can't do that, you can't roll it off. You have to actually lift it off to move it somewhere. Another con would be, I guess, this one doesn't really have a true decline to it. If I let go of that lever arm, you can see there's a slight decline here, but that's not enough to really have any effect on your bench if you were to try to do a decline bench. And it doesn't have any leg support over here to do any sort of decline work either. So if there was 2 cons, I would say it would be that there's no wheels and there's no ability to decline. Again, they don't advertise this as a decline bench. So as far as the pros, number 1, I say it's very stable. It has a high weight capacity. It is very comfortable. The padding here at 2 inches, it's very comfortable. And then you have the ability to have 6 different adjustments here and 3 different on the seat here, giving you a lot of different options to do with the bench. Overall, I think it's a great bench for the home gym. At $300, it's Flybird's most expensive bench, but it's also their best bench. So what I'll do is I'll leave a link below this video so you can check it out if you're interested. That link is shreddeddad.com/Flybird. By clicking on that link, you'll also activate a 10% coupon code in case you're interested in purchasing it. If you have any questions about it, let me know in the comments down below. If you like the information in this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the latest uploads. And for more home gym equipment reviews and discounts, also make sure you visit my website, shreddeddad.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.